Hi, my name's Lylah.
My name's Rylen.
And we are the Camping with Kayla kids.
Yep, we are indeed.
We went to Boston, Massachusetts, and learned about Paul Revere and the Midnight Ride. We started at Paul Revere's house.
On the evening of April 18th, 1775, Paul Revere was summoned to ride to Lexington with news that the British were about to march. It was believed that the British would continue to Concord to destroy military stockpiles there. Paul Revere contacted a friend at the Old North Church to signal fellow Sons of Liberty of the directions the British were taking using lanterns.
1 if by land, 2 if by sea.
We walked along part of the Freedom Trail, a collection of museums, churches, and burial grounds.
Cobb's Burial Ground is the final resting place of people who lived in the north end of Boston.
Edmund Hart, Robert Newman, and Prince Hall are a few of those buried in Copp's Hill.
To Minutemen National Historic Park, where we learned all about Paul Revere and the battles at Lexington and Concord. At 11 p.m., Paul Revere rode on a horseback to Lexington to alert that the British were coming.
In Lexington, he met John Hancock and delivered his message.
At 12:30 a.m., Williams Dowles arrived to deliver the same message. Both men continued on to Concord.
The British arrived in Lexington around 5 a.m. and were met by the militia. No one knows who fired the first shot, but 7 men in the militia were killed, and 1 was mortally wounded as he retreated.
After the battle, the British continued to Concord using the Bay Road, now known as the Battle Road.
After Revere and Dowse left Lexington, they met up with Dr. Samuel Prescott, a fellow High Son of Liberty.
Short time later, they were caught by the British patrol.
Revere was held for questioning and later released without his horse. He returned to Lexington on foot at the end of the Battle of Lexington Hill.
As we explored the Battle Road, we found the Hartwell Tavern. The British passed this building on their way to Concord. They arrived at the North Bridge around 8 a.m.
Nearly 400 Minutemen marched down the hill to meet them at the North Bridge. When the Minutemen came in range, the British opened fire, killing Captain Davis. The Minutemen returned fire, killing 3 British soldiers and wounding 9.
Known as the shot heard around the world.
This battle was the beginning of the Revolutionary War.
The British retreated while being attacked by angry Minutemen. After the British reached Lexington, the militia took their revenge from the violence that occurred earlier that morning. Outnumbered and low on ammo, the British fled back to Boston.
Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please like and subscribe.